All right, guys, how's everyone doing? This is Paul Singh, the Market Speculator. You guys know me from bullsonwallstreet.com, on Twitter, pauljsingh.com. I get a ton of questions every day, and I'm responding to people one-on-one, but a lot of these questions can help a lot of people, a lot of traders. So what we're going to do is every single day, I'm going to do one of these Ask Pauls really quick, should only take a few minutes just to hit a question that I think it's important that I've been getting. So let's talk about the question of the day today. This is the first Ask Paul. And I got a question from Eric here. This is a really common question because I talk about it so much. And that is, how do we find relative strength stocks? I'm always talking about relative strength. Basically, what stocks are doing better than other stocks? What stocks are beating their sector, beating the market? Now, there are a lot of ways to do this, and Eric wants a quick way here. He's doing a lot of work. He's got a lot of other things to do. So how can he quickly find relative strength? Now, there are scans that you can use. I've got a ton of different scans, but I'm going to show you a really quick way. You can get this done in a minute here. All you have to do is take an index. And before I do that, I'd like to get a feel for what the market's doing. So let's take a look at SPY. We can see here, SPY has pulled back 4 or 5% from its highs. So we want a stock, obviously, that has done better than this. And SPY is above its 200-day moving average, but below its 50-day moving average. So if we're looking at relative strength stocks, we know right away we want to see a stock that looks better than the SPY chart here. Essentially, I want stocks that are better than are above their 50-day moving averages. Excuse me there, coming over a little something, but over the 50-day moving average. So an easy way to do this is take an index. So here, let's go ahead and take the NASDAQ. So we'll take either the NASDAQ 100, we can take the Russell 1000, or we could take the S&P 500. Let's go ahead and take the NASDAQ right now. And let's filter this out for the best performing stocks. And you can see I have relative strength over a year. Then I can sort it out by 5-day, the 2-week, or the 30-day. The market has been pulling back for about 30 days now. So let's go ahead and look at the best performing NASDAQ stocks over the last 30 days. And that corresponds with when the market has pulled back. So we can see here, we have this sorted out. The best performing stock in the NASDAQ is TTWO. And you can see how strong it is. And it is above those key levels that SPY is below. So this is a relative strength stock, has moved better than the market, has better percentage gain during that period of time. MELE, I mean, you look at this thing, and one of the things I like to ask myself, like, if the market has been pulling back, would I know from looking at the stock? And if we look at MELE here, you would never have any idea that the market has been pulling back. This thing has been so strong. So MELE is one of my favorite relative strength stocks. We have IDXX, same thing. Look at that, above the 9, above the 50-day, above the 200-day. In an uptrend, while the market has been in a downtrend. This is definitely a relative strength stock, a stock that is doing better than most other stocks, and a stock that is doing better than the market itself. And we can go down the list and we do the same thing here until we start to find stocks. If we go down a little further, now you're going to start to find stocks that are doing either just what the market is doing or doing worse than the market. So that's a quick way to find relative strength. You can see here we found about 4 or 5 stocks in less than a minute, and we could find a few more than that too. Now we did the NASDAQ here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Russell 1000. We can do the exact same thing. Should be sorted now over the last 30 days, and it is. And we can see Roku is number 1. It's been on fire. You should be watching this stock as a momentum stock. Number 2, PODD, same pattern. Look at that. Look at Z. Hardly any work we have to do here. Just look at the top performing stocks over a given time period, and you're going to get the best performing stocks in the market. These are definitely stocks you want to be watching for potential trades because they're showing relative strength. All right, guys, so this is the first Ask Paul. We're going to do one of these. I'm going to try to do one every single day. Shoot me a message either on Twitter. You can DM me. Instagram, you can DM me, or just email me at singjd1@aol.com. Ask me any question you want. I'll pick the ones that I think that are going to help a lot of people, and we'll do one of these every single day.